One thing that has been echoed by leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, straight from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is that of appeasement of a vote bank, especially in the state of West Bengal. The comment of Mamata Banerjee on expected lines has been picked up. But first, before we talk about the controversy, for viewers just joining us on this broadcast, take us through what you're seeing around you as the preparations for Prime Minister's roadshow is currently underway.
Of course, the preparation of the Prime Minister's roadshow is underway, and as you can see, at this point in time, security check-in is going on, and there is a lot of gathering. There is a huge crowd who have gathered to, in fact, witness the Prime Minister. Now, the show starts at 6 p.m. The roadshow will begin at 6. We yet have time to go for this roadshow, but look at the crowd. I mean, look at how people have come out from their balconies. Right now, they have, come out from their balconies and waiting in their balconies and windows to see the Prime Minister. In fact, we have much time to go for this roadshow. Right. Look at the excitement in the ground. So, of course, at this point in time, we see that the stage is all decked out for Prime Minister's mega roadshow in, the city of joy, that is Kolkata. And not only this, in fact, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee have two Padayatras today, one in Dom, another one from Entari Market to Baliganj Fari. So, not only that...
And Shreya, as you keep talking to us, let's also tell our viewers of the pictures that they are seeing on their screens. That's a video of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's roadshow in Barasat. Prime Minister Modi addressed a rally in Barasat earlier today, and there you can see Prime Minister Narendra Modi waving to his audiences. So those are the latest pictures that are coming in. Let's also go across to Shreya, who continues to stay with us in Kolkata, where the Prime Minister's roadshow, I beg your pardon, first ever roadshow in Kolkata will get underway at around 6 o'clock. And like Shreya was showing us, the crowds are beginning to swell. There are people, the supporters of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who have descended on the streets to show their support. And like we've been telling you, the Prime Minister will begin his roadshow by paying tribute to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. On the other hand, it's Mamata Banerjee who will also hold a Padayatra today, and everything, the battle between the two titans is going to take place ahead of the final phase in Kolkata. And the battle for Bengal is going to be very crucial, and the results in Bengal will also have larger implications on the results. Let's go across to Shreya, who's joining us. Shreya, we're getting you pictures of the kind of reception the Prime Minister gets each time he visits Bengal. Take us through what you're seeing around you.
मोदी 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 मोदी
400 पार होगा इस बार, क्या लग रहा है आप?
बिल्कुल होगा, कोई शक नहीं। होगा जय श्री राम।
आप लोग एक बात बताओ, अभी भी 1 घंटा टाइम है, मोदी का रोड शो 6 बजे होगा, आप लोग इतने पहले से आ गए हो इधर, आप कितने एक्साइटेड हो रोड शो के?
इससे पता ही चल रहा है, 1 घंटा क्या 2 घंटे पहले से हम लोग यहाँ पर, 1 घंटा ही नहीं 2 घंटे पहले से, और एक्साइटमेंट का तो एकदम एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट पे हम लोग हैं। जहाँ से दूर दूर से लोग आ रहे हैं और हम यहाँ नजदीक में रहते तो क्यों नहीं आएंगे।
बंगाल में क्या होगा, कितना सीट मिलने वाले हैं इस टाइम बीजेपी?
बंगाल में 30 से तो ज्यादा जाना ही है।
Of course, you can see Modi chants in the ground. People are very excited. They say that they're here standing 2 hours before the road show to commence of the Prime Minister. They say that is the excitement. In fact, the most interesting part, I feel, is that how people have come out from their residence. They're standing in the balconies, in the roofs, in the windows. They have in fact come out to witness the Prime Minister. Although we have time, the road show will start at 6 p.m. So of course you can see that this is the excitement of the ground when it comes to the Prime Minister. Also remember, it gives a mega push to the BJP leaders in the state as well.
And the police there, Shreya, is making all the bandobast. And for viewers who are you've tuned into Times Now, on one hand, you're seeing pictures from Kolkata where preparations are underway for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's roadshow in the city of joy. On the other hand, you're seeing pictures coming in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's roadshow in Barasat, where people have come out and they are in fact waving to the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister waving back at them, gracefully accepting all the greetings.